Choosing between leather and Alcantara for car seats is not simply a matter of style. The decision influences comfort, performance, maintenance, resale appeal, environmental considerations, and the way the car feels during ownership. Leather is the classic choice, synonymous with prestige, while Alcantara has emerged as a modern premium option associated with sportiness and driver engagement. Understanding the differences requires a deep dive into material origins, comfort, durability, upkeep, perception, and long-term implications. Leather in automotive use originates from genuine animal hides, usually cattle, which are tanned and finished specifically for durability in vehicles. The tanning process can involve chrome tanning, most common due to efficiency and toughness, or vegetable tanning, which is rarer in mass automotive applications. Automotive leathers fall into several categories: aniline, semi-aniline, and corrected grain. Aniline leather is minimally coated, soft, and natural-looking, but vulnerable to stains and UV. Semi-aniline adds a light protective coating, balancing softness with durability. Corrected grain or pigmented leather uses a heavy protective surface for maximum toughness and uniformity, though it feels less natural. Common variants include Napa leather, prized for softness, and perforated leathers designed for ventilated seat applications. Alongside real leather, many vehicles also offer synthetic substitutes such as PU-based vegan leathers or vinyl. These mimic the look of leather with varying success and are often chosen for cost, ease of cleaning, or animal-free appeal. Alcantara, by contrast, is a fully synthetic microfiber material engineered to mimic suede. It consists of polyurethane and polyester fibers processed into a non-woven fabric with a velvety nap. Its production is more specialized than simple woven fabrics, involving needle punching and dyeing to achieve its texture and consistent coloring. Alcantara has become synonymous with performance-oriented interiors, used on seats, steering wheels, roofliners, and other contact points. Its role in automotive design emphasizes grip, tactile richness, and a bespoke modern aesthetic. Many OEMs pair Alcantara with leather, using leather on bolsters for durability and Alcantara on contact surfaces for grip. When comparing the two materials for comfort and tactile experience, leather is smooth and cool to the touch initially, molding to the body over time and delivering the classic sit-in feel. However, it offers less grip, and occupants may slide during spirited driving unless perforated or textured versions are used. Leather is less breathable than Alcantara, and without ventilation it can feel sticky in hot climates. High-quality aniline leathers are extremely soft, whereas pigmented types are firmer. Alcantara, on the other hand, is warm and velvety at first touch, with excellent grip that keeps drivers and passengers in place during lateral movements. Its microstructure provides better breathability than leather, and it feels less sticky when perspiration is involved. Its softness is notable, though it lacks the stretch and body-conforming feel of supple leather. Durability and longevity are another key area of comparison. Leather, particularly pigmented varieties, has excellent wear resistance but can develop creases or abrasion marks on high-contact areas such as seat bolsters. UV exposure can cause fading, especially in unprotected leathers, though leather is generally highly repairable. Scratches, scuffs, and tears can be recolored, patched, or fully reupholstered, and with proper care, leather interiors can last decades. Alcantara also has strong wear resistance, resisting pilling better than low-grade fabrics. However, its nap can flatten or compress over time in high-contact areas. Dye stability is good, so fading is less of an issue than with untreated leather, but localized damage is harder to repair invisibly. Small tears often necessitate full panel replacements, making repair costs higher. Nevertheless, when maintained properly, Alcantara interiors hold up very well, just aging differently from leather. Maintenance differs between the two. Leather requires regular care, weekly dusting and wiping with a damp cloth, periodic vacuuming of seams and cleaning with pH-balanced leather cleaners and conditioners every 3 to 6 months. Conditioning is essential to prevent drying and cracking. Spills must be wiped immediately, and harsh detergents or alcohol-based cleaners avoided. Over the years, leather may require professional re-dyeing, but it remains one of the most serviceable materials thanks to the wide availability of leather repair specialists. Alcantara maintenance resembles fabric care. Regular vacuuming and brushing keeps the nap upright, while stains should be blotted immediately. Water-based stains are usually easy to remove, though oils are more difficult. Specific Alcantara or fabric cleaners should be used, as strong solvents or heavy soaking can damage the material. For long-term upkeep, brushing restores texture and professional cleaning is recommended for significant soiling. In terms of aesthetics and perception, leather remains the globally recognized symbol of automotive luxury. It signals prestige, wealth, and refinement, and its versatility allows it to suit traditional executive sedans as well as cutting-edge designs. It can be embossed, perforated, dyed in multiple tones, or paired with contrast stitching. Alcantara, however, projects a different kind of premium feel. It is associated with sportiness, bespoke interiors, and high-end performance cars. Its suede-like finish suggests modernity and technical sophistication, making it popular in enthusiast segments. In short, leather is the status symbol choice, while Alcantara is the enthusiast choice. Performance considerations tilt the balance toward Alcantara for spirited driving. Smooth leather offers less friction, so occupants can slide during aggressive cornering, whereas Alcantara grips clothing and keeps drivers planted. This is why sports cars often employ Alcantara on steering wheels and bolsters. Climate is also a factor. Leather absorbs heat and can become uncomfortably hot in summer sun, unless ventilated or shaded. In cold weather, it feels frigid until heated. Alcantara remains more temperature neutral, staying cooler in hot sun and warmer in winter. For this reason, Alcantara often feels more comfortable on contact in extreme climates, unless the leather seats are ventilated or heated. Cost and value retention differ subtly. Factory leather options usually add a moderate to high premium over base trims, while Alcantara heavy interiors can cost as much or more since they are labor-intensive and relatively rare. Resale favors leather because it has broader mainstream appeal. Most buyers view it as the definitive luxury interior. Alcantara, though, may boost resale with enthusiast buyers, particularly in performance markets, but its narrower appeal makes it riskier for mass resale. Visible wear, creases in leather, or flattened nap in Alcantara affects resale more than material choice alone. Depreciation is influenced primarily by overall vehicle demand, though interior condition plays an important role. From a sustainability perspective, neither material is perfect. Leather is technically a byproduct of the meat industry, which provides a sustainability argument if viewed as maximizing resource use. Its durability and long life also reduce replacement frequency. However, tanning, especially chrome tanning, involves chemical use and energy consumption, with varying environmental impacts depending on tannery practices. Alternatives such as vegetable tanning or low-chrome tanning and certified tanneries help mitigate this. Alcantara avoids animal inputs, appealing to buyers concerned about animal welfare. It is lightweight and durable, but it is derived from petrochemical sources, and recyclability is limited in many markets. Microfiber shedding can also contribute to microplastic concerns. Some manufacturers are improving recycling programs, but for now, both materials present trade-offs. Repairability again gives leather the edge. Leather can be recolored, patched, and restored by a wide pool of professionals. Alcantara requires specialized care, and repairs often mean full panel replacement, making upkeep more expensive. Still, Alcantara's nap can often be revived cosmetically with brushing, keeping interiors looking fresh. Pros and cons make the trade-offs clearer. Leather's strengths include its recognition as a luxury status symbol, versatility of finishes, long lifespan, broad repairability, and strong resale value. Its weaknesses include heat and cold discomfort, the need for regular conditioning, variability in quality, and tanning's environmental impacts. Alcantara excels in tactile feel, grip, modern sporty image, and temperature neutrality, with decent stain resistance and nap restoration. Its cons include niche appeal, higher repair costs, nap wear over time, and the sustainability questions surrounding synthetic polymers. Context is crucial. For luxury sedans and executive cars, leather is the obvious choice because it maximizes resale appeal, satisfies traditional luxury expectations, and ensures long-term comfort. For performance sports cars and track-oriented vehicles, Alcantara shines particularly on bolsters, seat centers, and steering wheels, where grip matters. In daily commuter cars, durability is more important. Pigmented leather or high-quality synthetics often make the most sense, though Alcantara inserts can add sportiness. For family SUVs, pigmented leather is most practical, as it wipes clean of spills, hair, and food more easily than Alcantara. Climate further influences choice. In hot, sunny regions, Alcantara feels more comfortable to touch, while ventilated leather is viable for full seat coverage. In cold regions, Alcantara's warmth is appealing, though heated leather seats address the issue. Real-world examples reflect these choices. Mercedes-Benz favors leather in its S-Class and E-Class, emphasizing traditional luxury. Porsche GT cars and track models use Alcantara extensively to reduce glare, enhance grip, and reinforce their sporting identity. Audi RS and BMW M models often use combinations: leather bolsters for durability, Alcantara seat centers for grip. Tesla favors synthetic leathers for branding and sustainability reasons. Ferrari and Lamborghini often specify Alcantara on driver-focused surfaces to reduce weight and enhance sportiness, while using leather elsewhere to satisfy expectations of exclusivity. Ownership costs follow predictable patterns. Leather requires conditioning every few months, protection from sun, and occasional re-dyeing. Alcantara requires vacuuming, brushing, and spot cleaning, with occasional professional treatment for stains. Over a car's lifespan, leather repairs tend to be easier and cheaper, while Alcantara replacements are costlier but less frequent. For families, leather is more practical. For drivers, Alcantara is more engaging. Maintenance checklists illustrate this difference. For leather, owners should wipe weekly, clean and condition every 3 to 6 months, inspect seams annually, and avoid harsh cleaners. For Alcantara, weekly vacuuming and brushing is important. Spills must be blotted immediately and only approved cleaners should be used, with professional cleaning for heavy soiling. Alcantara should never be soaked or exposed to aggressive chemicals. The trade-offs go beyond the obvious. Leather has broader perception benefits, but Alcantara delivers a superior driving feel. Many OEMs combine them to balance durability and grip. Climate interacts with seat features. Ventilated leather can outperform Alcantara in summer, while Alcantara remains more comfortable in cars without ventilation. Serviceability also matters. Leather repair specialists are common, while Alcantara requires experts. Lifestyle factors matter too. Children, pets, or heavy commuting argue strongly for leather. Ultimately, leather is the safer choice for mainstream luxury buyers who prioritize status, comfort, repairability, and resale. Alcantara is the enthusiast's choice for grip, feel, and modern sportiness. A hybrid of the two often delivers the best of both worlds. The decision should match the owner's lifestyle. Leather for family SUVs and executive sedans, Alcantara for track-focused sports cars, and combinations for drivers who want both luxury and performance. Sustainability-minded buyers should consider sourcing certifications, tannery practices, or recycled content Alcantara alternatives. In every case, maintenance is key. Regular care ensures either material delivers years of comfort and appeal,